This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning, Arizona. I'm Javier Soto. Here are the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. Arizona's largest hospital system, Banner Health, is feeling the effects of those surging COVID cases. And at the same time, they're facing a shortage of nurses. Right now, there are 1,400 open positions for nursing. Banner is bringing in about 1,500 out-of-state workers for the fall, as well as increasing the minimum wage to $15 an hour for all employees.
Staffing will continue to be a top priority as we prepare for an increase in COVID hospitalizations, as well as other seasonal illnesses like the flu.
Dr. Bessel says they always bring in out-of-state nurses for the fall because it's their busy season. But this year, like last, they need a lot more due to COVID-19 and now the Delta variant. If you're interested, you can apply for their job on their website. Blackstaff Unified School District just voted to mandate masks indoors and on school property, including school buses. This is for all students, staff, and visitors. This goes into effect on Wednesday, which is the first day of school for students up there. Now, one of the biggest high schools in the state is now putting more COVID safety measures in place after an outbreak on campus. There are 68 cases at Hamilton High School right now. In a letter sent home to parents, the principal says starting now, everybody has to stay at least 3 feet apart. The school will limit the sharing of books and materials from class to class, and anybody who's been in close contact with someone who's tested positive for more than 15 minutes will have to quarantine. Hamilton will be using Google Classroom to help quarantined or sick students access their missing assignments. The school will also restrict things like field trips and campus visitors for the time being.
How about a high of 96 for today in Phoenix? We'll see scattered storms. We're going to climb to 100 briefly for Thursday and Friday, and then back down to the 90s for your weekend. And we're going to keep those storms in the forecast for the next 7 days.
Loving those temperatures. Thank you, Ian. For updates and more stories, all you have to do is download the Arizona's Family News app and make sure you subscribe on our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Javier Soto. Good morning, Arizona.